Hey everyone! Welcome back to Doomboticus Metallicus, where we explore the limitless possibilities of emerging technologies. Today, we're diving deep into the world of ChatGPT and uncovering not just its capabilities, but also how you can turn it into a powerful tool for generating income. If you're ready to unlock the secrets of making money with ChatGPT, stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Section 1. Understanding ChatGPT. Before we jump into the money-making strategies, let's take a moment to understand what ChatGPT is all about. Developed by OpenAI, ChatGPT is a state-of-the-art language model powered by GPT 3.5 architecture, capable of generating human-like text based on the input it receives. Now let's explore its capabilities. ChatGPT excels in natural language understanding and generation, making it a versatile tool for various applications. Its ability to comprehend context and generate contextually relevant responses opens the door to a plethora of opportunities for individuals and businesses alike. From content creation to personalized user interactions, ChatGPT is reshaping how we approach communication and problem-solving in the digital age. Now that we have a solid foundation, let's dive into the exciting ways you can leverage ChatGPT to make money. Section 2. Monetizing content creation. Content creation is at the heart of the online world, and ChatGPT can be your ultimate ally in this arena. Imagine effortlessly generating blog posts, articles, and social media content with just a few prompts. Whether you're a blogger, a marketer, or a social media influencer, ChatGPT can revolutionize your workflow and boost your productivity. But it doesn't stop there. We'll also explore how ChatGPT can be a game changer in creating ebooks and online courses. The ability to generate high-quality content quickly opens up new possibilities for authors and educators. Stick around as we delve into the details of content creation and how you can turn your ideas into monetizable assets. Section 3. Building business solutions with ChatGPT. Now let's shift our focus to the business side of things. ChatGPT isn't just a content creation tool. It's a powerful asset for businesses looking to enhance their operations. In this section, we'll explore how you can leverage ChatGPT to build chatbots that can transform customer service, streamline lead generation, and boost sales. Imagine a world where your business has a personalized, AI-driven assistant handling customer inquiries, generating leads, and even assisting in closing sales. We'll uncover the step-by-step process of integrating ChatGPT-powered chatbots into your business strategy and explore real-world examples of companies that have already embraced this technology. Section 4. Freelancing and consulting opportunities. As we continue our journey, let's explore the opportunities for freelancers and consultants in the world of ChatGPT. Whether you're a writer, a consultant, or someone with expertise in AI, there are numerous ways you can monetize your skills. We'll dive into the world of freelance writing and copywriting, discussing how ChatGPT can assist you in generating high-quality content for clients. Additionally, we'll explore the potential for offering consulting services in AI implementation, tapping into the growing demand for expertise in this field. But that's not all. We'll also discuss the rising trend of AI tutoring and training, exploring how individuals can leverage ChatGPT to provide education and support in the ever-evolving landscape of artificial intelligence. Conclusion. As we wrap up this in-depth exploration of making money with ChatGPT, I hope you've gained valuable insights into the vast opportunities this technology presents. From content creation to business solutions, freelancing, and consulting, ChatGPT is a versatile tool that can empower individuals and businesses alike. I encourage you to experiment with these strategies, find your niche, and stay curious as the world of AI continues to evolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow enthusiasts, and hit that subscribe button to stay updated on our latest explorations into the world of emerging technologies. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and until next time, keep innovating and exploring the limitless possibilities that technology has to offer.